Guys, this is not good.
I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Running our race, just at our pace. Made some mistakes, but learned a few.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is episode 3 of Road to 500 in our Subaru WRX VB TR here at Private Label Manufacturing, or PLM. This is John, or everyone calls me J-Ray, here at PLM, or one of the pilots of our Subaru WRX VB TR and our 533 horsepower Honda Civic FL5 Type R. Now, from episode 2, what we did was mostly bolt-ons and also a couple of dynos. Now, in episode 3, we have a lot of things to cover, guys. We did a lot of things for the past, I would say, 6 weeks now, honestly. We're actually now tuned by one of them. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this company, Cobb. We made some great numbers from this tune. Third thing, we also added a couple carbon fiber stuff or parts in our car, and that way this will definitely attract a lot of people and it will look good, obviously, while taking photos and videos. And lastly, guys, the car caught on fire while it was in dyno. I don't want to talk a lot now. I want you guys just to watch the video until the end. And do me a favor, guys, if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, and that way you guys can see the progress of this car going to 500 horsepower or even more, and all the upgrades that we're going to do for this car as well. And also smash that like button down below. Let's go ahead and get into it. I have the PLM WRX VB carbon fiber side skirts. We also have the PLM carbon fiber rear diffuser. Now this is a 3-piece set, so I'm going to show you guys later on. But this should be exciting, guys. So we're going to be installing the side skirts today, the carbon fiber side skirts, and also the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Hopefully you guys can see it pretty good. But other than that, we don't have a side skirt right here. It looks pretty cleared up with blue. All right, let's go ahead and get into it.
Woke up today, smile on my face. May not go my way, still got my face. So I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Running our race, just at our pace. Made some mistakes, but learned a few things. So I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay.
See what it looks like. Oh yes, sir. No gaps at all. Flushed. Sheesh. Okay, actually this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's not too wide. I guess it's a preference for everyone if they want their side skirts to be designed a little bit wider.
These are nice because you won't pick them on the ground.
True, that's true.
I'd rather just buy some new plans. I'd rather just have it. No way.
That look around and we blessed. Today, smile on my face, may not go my way, still got my face, so I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Running our race, just at our pace. Made some mistakes, but learned a few things, so I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Yeah. I know the pain you felt, I felt it with you. I know the hate.
In the next few clips, we will be showing you guys our tune. We went with Cobb tuning. You guys already know that Cobb would be the best tune for these platforms right here. And additionally, we also partnered up with our dealer out in Maryland. They're called Felix Performance. Mel and Anthony, we appreciate you guys so much for helping us out with this build and this partnership. Felix Performance does a lot of Subaru stuff, FAs, EJs, and they've been tuning. I mean, they're always tuning every single day. If you have a Subaru in Maryland, make sure to hit them up. Felix Performance, they've already tuned FAs, even the newer VBs with over 500 horsepower, guys. Obviously, we decided to go with them, and we are currently working on that, and we are super excited about this. Now that we have installed our tune, doing a custom tune for our car, so this will not be just a regular OTS off-the-shelf one. However, we did have our base map tune that we installed. We flashed with Cobb tuning. Johnson was the one who did it. We did some data logs, and we sent it to our tuner. He did tell us that we had a slight leak, which was the header, but it was really slight. He even mentioned that, you know, obviously it's too small, it's not really big. But also at the same time, we want to make sure that one gets fixed first before we go full out, which we totally agree. He also mentioned that our PLM P660 turbo for the WRX is also responding really good. I'd say that 500 horsepower should not be a problem in this platform. We also agree with that too. After doing the basic logs and also the data logs back and forth, we went ahead and dyno the car, do all the current mods and also with the current tune, and this is how it went. All right, test number 1, guys. 1, guys. Let's get it. we're trying to figure it out. Nate's already on the phone with Anthony, our tuner. So this is another map that our tuner gave us. There you go. Still doesn't want to go wide open throttle. Guys, this is not good. We have fire. Literally, there was just a fire happening, man. That's crazy. I didn't see that coming.
Maybe a rubber trim piece is loose.
So that's the piece that burnt off, guys. That's crazy.
But there's no. I've taken apart this car so many times. There's no rubber underneath the car.
All right, quick update. We are not going to start the car due to the small fire that just happened earlier, but it's good. We're just going to put the car out for a bit, and then after that, have it cool down and put it on the lift later on. Oh yeah. So that was the one that burnt down.
Boot caught on fire. This is probably something that a lot of aftermarket people are going to deal with aftermarket headers, which is the dust boot is way too close to the header. It's not even like maybe like an inch difference. Same on this side. So something that potentially might be looking forward to is a solution for that. Maybe like we'll bolt the heat shield up reusing existing bolts or something just to protect this from all the heat, because we believe all aftermarket solutions can have that problem because of the heat that these cars will exhibit, especially if they're putting more boost down.
So moving forward, what we're gonna do here is most likely gonna wrap this up. Again, heat shield or a sauce, it doesn't burn down like what just happened today, and we should be good. Today we are remote tuning our WRX VB for the second time. As you guys saw on the previous videos, car actually caught a fire from our very first remote tune. We found out what it was. Nate is our head tech and actually did a few runs already, and then it seems like we're getting some good numbers. So first one was 254 and horsepower and 313 torque. Second run is 270, sorry, and 313 torque.
Well, that's a healthy increase from last time.
Yeah. All right, so quick update, guys. We just got a new map from Anthony from the first few runs that we did. So this is a custom tune. This is not like a regular base map, like an OTS off-the-shelf map. So we got this new map. We're gonna see how much power we're gonna make. So let's see how much we made from that first revision, from that new custom map that we made. All right, ooh, those are some good numbers, guys. So we have 293, we have 293.39 horsepower, and we made 350.83 foot-pounds torque. Right there. This is good. 254 was the first one, 313, 270 horsepower after 313 torque, and now we're at 290 horsepower at 350 torque. So going up there. So pretty much how this will work. Every single run we make, every single numbers that we make, we report it to the tuner. After we flash the tune, do the same thing until we make at least closer to 500 or at least 500 horsepower. So far, we're making some progress, guys. Good numbers. We started off at 250, we were at 270, and now we're at 293. So, or 290 plus. So after this, hopefully we make at least 320, 350, and then goal to get 400 pretty soon. From 400 all the way to 500. So let's get it. Go. So from that last run we just did that we were pointing down fans, we're at 308 and we're also at 328.90 for the torque. Coming from 254 first run, 270 and 293, now we are at 308. Sorry. Nice. So hopefully in the next few runs we're going to be making at high 3s, closer to 4s. We're at 312 horsepower and 342. Goal is to hit 500 horsepower. So we got this. Alright, so from our 8th tune or 8th run with our custom map, so we are at 318, 75 horsepower, and we made 345 foot-pounds of torque. So far, so good. Alright, there you guys have it. Before we end this video, before we get into the conclusion, so I want to make sure that I explain a couple things to you guys. Alright, so you guys already saw 318 horsepower and 345 foot-pounds of torque was the best number we can get with our current PLM bolt-ons and our custom tune that we have. Second thing is, the tuner actually told us that we are supposed to be 230 horsepower to 235 with our current tune right now, with our current setup. Our dyno, which is Dynapack, actually reads low. So we are not, first off, we're not satisfied with the number. Second thing is we just don't want to, we don't care about the number as of now, because we knew from the start that we are not going to be like, okay, we're going to give everything out with all the bolt-ons and the tune and it's going to reach 500 horsepower. No, it does not work like that, guys. We want to make sure we lay everything out. We want to make sure we have all these episodes in that way. If we reach the 500 horsepower, you guys can do the same thing. You guys can play it from any episodes that we start, from episode 1 all the way to how many episodes we're making. So we want to make sure we get those done first. Last thing I want to address is we actually have a few components in the WRX that are still stock. First thing would be the top mount intercooler. Second thing would be the intakes, and also the last thing would be the charge pipes. Now, for top mount intercooler, we are going to get rid of this. We actually have our own PLM front mount intercooler that it's huge, guys, and we're gonna install this as soon as possible, get another tune and do the same process as we did with this video, and we're gonna do the same thing with the intakes, and after that it will be the charge pipes last. We are going to do this ASAP. I would say maybe in the next couple of weeks, and that way you guys can see the progress, and I'm pretty sure I can highly feel it now, guys, that we are going to make at least 500 horsepower in the next couple of weeks. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, smash that like button down below, and also subscribe for more PLM Subaru videos, and also Alpha 5 videos. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.
Oh, good.